Good evening. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. Before going to the Monday prediction, I would like to review the Friday market and my group calls, whatever I given in the paid group. Nifty ended up in the positive 11,050.25, 244.70 points in the positive, 2.26% in the positive. Opened around 10,009, 10.40. Low went around 10,854.85. High went around 11,072.60. Let's go to my prediction review as well as the group calls. In my group, I have given because of the gap opening around, it has opened around 104 points, so the levels which we have is the target of these levels because of the depth. But in our data itself, three indications are shown in the positive. I have pointed out the ratio is on the negative side, 4:7, but three indications are in the positive. But this is actually 1 minute, and this is not. This is actually Monday prediction. That's what I doubted. Friday, the indications are because I knew about the evenly poised, because there it came not evenly poised. So the ratio indicated positive. Three indicators are in the positive about Friday. We already saw it. Only one indication are in the evenly poised, which means we already know it is kind of a bullish but with the volatile. But still, whenever we get evenly poised means all three results are possible. But basic rule, if the previous close is not breaking, we saw so many times the bullish will happen. At the same time, if anything opens above the volatile level, the overall average is a stop loss for the bullish. That is also two matching with the bullish mark. But as per the opening, pre-opening, here it is. This is the level which we are newly tracking, because the market has opened almost in between these two average level. So the positive target 2 and positive target 1 is the first target, but after, if it is breaking down, then it may go down towards to the negative target 2. But somehow the low is matched with 10,852. So that is the reason market has recovered. That is what I also given in the group. We have the following targets. First two targets got it, but the remaining negative target not able to hit. But somehow we know that because initially we given the call because of the target, we bought it somewhere around 34 to 38. This is for the holding for a 1 week time, and for that we invested in the insurance somewhere around 11,300 for 11. So these two must have to be hold for a week. But in between, once if it is reaching towards the profit level, then we need to book it, because that is how we are playing. So once it is started to move, that 11,600 gone up to 45 plus, almost reached 50, the indication clearly shown high is not matching. So which means whoever not holding, they need to keep stop loss at cost to cost, which is we bought it somewhere 34 to 38. Up to that level, whoever bought it, they need to book it somewhere around 50, because we know that the high is not matching, because our data clearly shown high is not matching means it will go uncut. So we clearly ask the customer to book the profit if whoever not holding for a week time, because whoever holding means they have to hold one lot in the call option 11,300 and one lot in the put option 10,600. Those two calls has to be maintained for a 1 week tenure. But if whoever trading for intraday, they have to book profit. This is the call which given around 10-11. So because high is not matching, clearly mentioned high is not matching means it will go and cut anytime it will go and cut. That is the indication clearly given. Or else if someone wants to go for higher profit, they need to keep at least stop loss level, because we know that low is matching but high is not matching. Means in our data, if low is match means it will go and cut the high. That is the rule. So that is the reason we have clearly given that rule. And once it is moving towards to the positive and go, so that is the again so high, because after cutting the high, once again the high is not matching, so it will cut once again after almost 1.5 hours. Here already given that 10:14 high is not matching. After I gone and cut this particular level, gone cut, so these two levels having this strong resistance level, once these two strong resistance level is breaking, then the market will go further high. That is the indication. And I am asking this specific one lot, asking to keep till January 2021, because each and every week you need to buy at least one lot and keep it for a 1 week in hand. It might be 1 rupee, it might be 4 rupee, depends on whoever having the risk appetite. They must have to keep one lot in hand for a 1 week tenure. That is the indication. So that is the reminder which given. And the market once started to recover and gone up, it has exactly gone up and broken after the low, because at 10:15 or 10:10 a.m. I given that low is matching but high is not matching. It is gone up and cut each and every time, and once it is kept a perfect high. But this must not to break again, because if it is breaking the perfect high, then it will go bullish. That is the indication. So the high is perfectly matching means it should not cut. If it is cutting, it will go to the next level, so it will go and cut further high. So that is the indication. So we know that yesterday Thursday's high in the day 11,015, if that level, even if it is cutting, this particular level is not to cut, then the market will having chances to fall. But this particular level not able to cut, almost 1 hour it is trying to reach, but somehow this particular level is not able to cut. And I did one error before reaching this 11,015, this particular error which I found. So that is not going to be a next level. So once if it is cuts this particular 11,015, which is Thursday's high, then the market will go and reach 11,064. That is the error which I found, and exactly found out that particular level, because the high, why we focused on this particular, because of previous day high, which is 11,015. So normally what happens in the market, previous day high is going to cut means it will go further high. That is the indication. So if that previous high is not cutting means market will come down and may touch CPR. These are all the indications. So that is the reason I have given. And once again the market got cut, and the level which wide open, that is the indication given, because that particular 11,015 got cut means it will go to the next level of 11,064, because this level is an error we found out. So 11,064 is the next target, that is wide open around 12 in 2:12 p.m. So the trend, next day trend is also indicating positive in our formula. So that is the thing. So low is matching, and after that high is also matching at that particular point of time, which is 2:57 while we took. That is the indication. And these are all after we know the market has kept a high exactly in our average. That particular target also reached, it is reached somewhere around 11,072, which is we given a target of 64. If you keep 10 points stop loss, normally 74, so exactly within the range. And that is the level. Normally our level will always keep perfectly. So which exactly happened as per the data, because our data is 3 indicated positive, 1 in the evenly poised. We know evenly poised means 33.33% chances of all the sides. So this particular day it has ended up in the positive range. Let's go to the prediction for Monday. Monday typically it is like this is 1 second, it is open 25th. Monday is also 3 indications are showing positive, but 1 indication is in the negative. Ratio indicating negative, but average indicating positive, absolute frequency indicating positive, and weightage indicating positive, which is typically like what we saw on Friday. 3 indications are positive, but Friday what we saw is 1 indication in the evenly poised, but here 1 indication in the negative. So which means 75% chances to end up having bullish kind of run, but this one key indication is showing the difference of 1 point. So we know the difference of 1 point means it might open in the gap up, after that it might fall down. So that is also possible, and here 1 indication is also indicating downside. So which means it is kind of a volatile market, may see a volatile market. So we need to watch out, and these are all the support and resistance levels. So as per the basic rule, anything open above the volatile level, we must keep stop loss in the range of overall average. But here the overall average itself having little higher level, so that is the one key indication that market may open in the positive, but it will fall down because our stop loss itself in the higher range. So that is the reason. And one more indication which shows that this is the level, new level. So the par level for the day for Monday is even 124.55, which is 11,174.80, which means anything less than 11,174.80 opens in the pre-open, which means anything less than 124.55 in the pre-open 55, sorry. So this is the parallel. Anything pre-open less than this particular point, which indicating market fall down, and the target will be negative target 1, which is 31 points, which is 11,081.42, and then followed by negative target 2, which is 62 in the negative side, which is 10,988. This is as simple as that. All we need to watch out is whether the pre-opening on Monday is going to open above this 124.55 or below that level. So if anything above that level, we can go for the positive target of PT1, PT2 and PT3. If anything goes with the below opens, means we will go by with a target of NT1, NT2 and NT3. So as simple as that. We need to watch out simply whether the pre-open is going to be above or below 124.55. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. Thank you.